Hi, how are you doing?
Yes, I am fit as a fiddle. Thank you for asking.
Okay, wow. An idiom in the beginning?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So, how was your morning? What did you do?
Yeah, it was usual day because it's working day today. So I was working since morning and I thought I can take out some time for the session also because whole day I don't get time. So we can start with the morning.
Yes,
So
that's
that's why.
great. Okay, so would you like to try some phrasal verbs today?
Yeah.
Okay, like I'll give you few phrasal verbs. You can tell me the meaning and then make a sentence out of it.
Okay, I can try.
Let's take first look for.
Look for.
What do you think the meaning can be? Look for.
I can recall, but I can't explain those in in English, I guess. So if
Like
you could tell
any
me the
anything
meaning.
that is coming to your mind when I'm saying that I am looking for something.
Y- It means that I want that things or wanting something.
It actually means that you're searching for something. You know, when we are searching for
Okay.
something in phrasal verbs, we use look for. Okay.
Oh,
So, can you try
got.
and make a sentence out of it?
Mm, I look for eating something spicy.
Okay. Okay. That's good. Okay. So, let's try another one.
Mm,
Like, I'll give you another phrasal verb.
okay.
Okay. Next, let's take find out.
Find out. It's meaning the same. Finding something.
No, that literally sounds like it, but the meaning is different. Any guesses?
To make out something from something.
Find
Not
out
sure.
means to discover something. You know, when we
Okay.
discover something, we say that I found out. For
Mm-hmm.
example, I found out my YouTube channel has got 1 million subscribers. Right. So, find out means to discover something. Would you like to try with an example?
Okay. I try. Let's find out something new. Not sure how to
No,
make it.
find out means that you have already discovered it. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So anything that you have already discovered. So that's how you can use that. I found out, right? My friends are planning a party, something like this. Something that you have already discovered. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let's try give up. It's very easy and common.
Yeah.
Give up.
Mm, we shouldn't give up on something we are trying to achieve.
Yes, that's very good. Give up means to stop trying.
Stop trying.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you new to phrasal verbs or have you like done them before?
I haven't done it, but while speaking, it automatically
Comes out. Yeah.
comes out. But I don't exactly know the meaning, or maybe, or I know, but somewhere we don't focus too much on the exact meaning. So when somebody
Right.
use it, so we just use in the same manner.
Right. But while speaking English, like our daily conversations, if we replace certain things with phrasal verbs, it sounds more advanced or polished. Right.
Yeah.
Like when we're looking for something, instead of I am looking for it, like I'm searching for it, we can just say like looking for. Like replacing it with phrasal verbs, like it sounds more polished.
Okay,
Right.
I will
Instead
try.
of searching, if we use look for or looking for, something like this. Okay.
Okay, I will try.
Okay. Let's try with carry on. It's also very easy. Carry on.
So continuously working on. something.
Yes. It means to continue doing whatever we were doing.
Oh. Let's carry on our conversation.
Yeah, let's carry on our clapping session.
Clap. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Since you started with a really nice idiom, right?
Yeah.
Fit as a fiddle. Let's try 2 to 3 more of them. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, break the ice.
To start the conversation,
Yes, absolutely.
to initiate. Yeah.
Yeah. To initiate a conversation, to break any kind of awkwardness. Okay.
Hmm.
Can you give me a sentence? Like, can you think of anything?
Yes. In my meeting, I broke the ice and started started the conversation.
Right. Okay. That's good. Okay. Piece of cake.
Yeah. It's easy. Something is very easy.
Okay. So you have done like masters in idioms and phrases.
Not really, but yeah, some of the idioms that is pretty common, I guess. So some of the people use, so we can grab
Yeah.
piece of cake. Like learning English, for some people, it is a piece of cake for them.
Yes. Okay. What about hit the books?
To start a study,
Not to start studying, but to like study
study hard.
really hard. Yeah.
Yeah.
Study continuously, study really hard. It's then we call hit the books.
Okay.
So like before our exams, we really hit the books and not the whole year. So something
Yes.
like this. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Another very common that we use is on cloud nine.
Yes. Extremely happy.
Very happy. Yes.
Oh, when I got my first job, so I was on the cloud nine.
Yes. And the most common idiom that I hear or over YouTube's and English videos, podcasts is like under the weather.
Feeling sick.
Yeah. Can you give
Yeah.
me a
So
sentence like how you would use it?
yes, yesterday I was under the weather, so I couldn't concentrate on my work.
Is it like true or is
Yeah.
it just are you
Yeah.
using just in a sentence?
Somewhere it is true because yesterday I started my work after a long vacation, like 5 or 6 days of gap. I had holiday and I took some. And yesterday I started my day after 6 days, 6 days of vacation. So I was feeling bit under the weather.
Okay. And are you better now? Are you feeling better now?
Yes, now I'm absolutely fine.
Okay. So are you taking regular sessions on Clapingo?
Yes, these days I'm continuously doing.
Okay. So I hope that the little phrases that we did helped you.
Yeah,
Maybe you were new to
you snatched
phrases.
my word because I wanted to, wanted to discuss idioms and phrases in this conversation.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
That's why
really.
I started with that was a hint for me that
Yeah.
please let's talk about idioms and phrases.
Yeah, I
Okay.
thought if tutor will ask me that what we can discuss today, so I will definitely say this.
Okay. Okay. Like teach me 2 to 3 idioms or phrases that you have learned recently.
Okay. So we have heard beat around the bush.
Hmm.
It means don't speak indirectly.
Yeah,
Like in Hindi we say घुमा फिरा कर बातें करना.
I understand. Yeah.
Yes.
To not discuss the main thing and just beating around the bush, talking about everything else except for the main thing, right?
Yeah.
Have you ever done that?
Not really. I don't do this.
So you're a direct conversation having person, like you will have a conversation directly.
Yes, because I don't believe that if you have to say something, you can directly say.
Yeah,
Don't beat around the bush and just come to the point.
yeah. Like it happens a lot of time when people text us that they need some help, but before
Yes.
that they will ask, "Hi, how are you? What are you doing?" And then
And
they will ask
especially
for the help.
and especially when they need like money. money kind of helps. So definitely they can't say directly that yes, I need this amount of money. So they will definitely
Yeah,
do this
ask
thing.
you about yourself, your family, and then they will. Okay. Can you give me another one? Like, tell me another idiom.
It it is one hit the nail on the head.
Hit the nail on the head. Okay. Can I take a guess? Hit the nail on the head. Can be to do something like precisely or correctly
Mm,
when we are doing something correctly, or
yes.
like very precise. Is it?
Yeah, it is similar.
Okay. It is similar. Okay. Then what is the actual meaning?
Yeah, it is kind of same that to say the exact point or to do the exact thing.
Okay.
I'm not sure that I'm saying it correctly or not. Maybe I'm
Uh-huh.
missing something.
Okay, you can use it in a sentence so that we can have a clearer view.
Mm, yes, during his presentation, she hit the nail on the head, so other people got the ideas.
Okay, yeah, it can work like that.
I will search about it after that.
So you learned it, but right now you're kind of phased out, forgetting that.
Yeah, I haven't learned it like in the past few days. It is like long back, so that's why. But I can recall this idiom.
Okay, I'm having fun. Give me one more.
Okay. You want me to from my
Yeah,
side?
yeah, from your side.
Mm, like bring something to the table. It is pretty common.
Okay, like contributing to something,
Yeah.
contributing like something positive, or yeah, obviously.
Yes,
Okay,
most of the time in my meeting, I have heard this idioms a lot. Because whenever we
okay,
have group meetings, so my manager or director say like, anyone have any ideas or something, so they can bring to the table. Mm, they can bring something to the table.
okay. So to basically contribute, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So use it in a sentence.
Yes, as I mentioned that most
Oh,
of the
this is
time
this
in the,
was the sentence. Okay, okay,
yeah.
okay. Any more that you have in mind,
Mm, it is
or I can
common
give you
one.
one.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. A blessing in disguise.
A blessing in disguise. Yes. Something good the bad bad scenario or bad what something good in even in the bad situation.
Uh, Close, like almost. A blessing in disguise means something that might seem bad at first, but
Mhm.
eventually it turns out to be good. So it was a blessing, but in disguise, right? In the
Okay.
beginning,
In
it
the
was,
beginning,
yeah,
it
in the
looks
beginning, yeah, it looks like it is not helpful or it is bad, but later it turns out to be something helpful. So
okay.
that is called a blessing in disguise.
Can you give any examples to better understand?
Okay, I'm currently going blank about something. You can say the lockdown that we had during COVID, it was a blessing in disguise. People like might feel that they were trapped, but it was actually to save lives.
Hmm.
Like that is the only thing that is coming to my mind right now.
But I think it's a good use here, I guess. So
Yeah.
similarly in my case also, like during the COVID, we got work from home. So
Mhm.
now it is continuously same. So I can say this. So in the beginning, it felt like that it is bad or why we are at home or something like that. But now I feel happy because I'm in my hometown and I don't have to travel a lot. So it is a blessing in the disguise.
Okay, so your work from home is continuing since then.
Yeah, right.
Okay, that's great. So tell me one more thing. that while using prepositions, we use prepositions, right, in our sentences. We have, like, mostly students, learners, they get confused between two prepositions when it comes to time, prepositions of time, right? One is for and one is since. Like, if you,
For.
for and since, like, most learners really get confused between these two prepositions. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
If I tell you, how would you differentiate between these two prepositions? How would you describe? Like, prepositions in case of time, okay? Like,
Mm-hmm.
do you use for 2 years or do you use since 2 years? Okay. So,
Okay, so when you have to say the duration of time, from this particular time to this particular time, like it's a duration, then we use for. Uh, and
like,
when it
one
is the
example.
exact, yeah, like I'm living in Bhopal for 5 years.
Hmm.
It's an example for 5 years. So it is a duration, like 5 years of duration. And when I have to say the exact time or date or year, whatever it is, the exact thing, then we use since. Like I'm living in Bhopal since 1996. So we have the exact year. So here we will use since. Is it correct?
Yes, absolutely. So, to sum it up, like, for general timings that which do not have any exact time, or for anything general, in case of
Mhm.
time, we use for. Okay, for example, for 2 years, 5 years, however you have mentioned. And when the exact timing is given, any month, any particular day, any particular time, okay,
Mhm.
whenever there is an exact time given, then we are using since. It's great
Okay.
that you have a clear view of it, because I have come across a lot of learners struggling with prepositions, especially these two.
Yes, you are right. So in the beginning, I was having the same problem, but while speaking and while practicing, it automatically became habit now that yes,
Yeah,
I'm using it correctly.
yes. So, any feedback for me?
For you?
Recently, yeah, recently I've been asking my learners, because usually I give them feedbacks, but
Okay, so I
this
found the
time,
today's session more interactive because you know, like we expect from Twitter that they shouldn't stop the conversation; it should go in the flow, and they give a lot of creative things and activities so that learner can perform at the same timing, and this gives you impromptu response like what I have to say. Like in the beginning, you started with the phrasal verb, so I had to thought, like yes, what is the exact meaning and how I can make the sentences. So yeah, in the way you can make it session more interactive. So today's session I found it valuable, and yeah, it was good actually.
okay. So, what if we ever get a session next? What do you think that we can try more, or we can do?
Okay, so I feel that most of the people struggle with storytelling, or when they have to,
Storytelling.
yeah, when they have to discuss more about their past or anything that is related to past memories or anything. So they struggle while making sentences because I have heard this thing from many people that they say like they struggle with past tense.
Hmm.
So when you have to narrate the story, so most of the time we are narrating in the past tense.
Right.
So that time we struggle and we somewhere we use present or somewhere the past. So it gets mismatched.
Okay, so next, I've written it down. Next day, if we're getting a session, we are doing storytelling. Okay, so you
Okay,
will
we
be
will try.
talking about any incident. I will give you a topic, like your
Okay.
happiest day, the day you felt most proud about yourself, something like this. You will be narrating an incident, and then we'll see how well you're performing. Okay, so thank you so
Okay, we'll
much
try.
for today's class. I hope you had fun, because I did. And
Yeah, I also enjoyed today.
okay,
Thank you so
thank
much.
you. Thank you.
Have a great day. Bye bye.
Bye.